Today you join us for another delicious meal, and the meal we're making today is the cheesy garlic chicken wraps. Before we get started, I'm going to go through what ingredients you need for this meal. So the ingredients you'll need for this dish is, for the chicken, you'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, or the diced chicken breasts, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper for the taste. And then for the cheesy garlic sauce, you'll need 2 teaspoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of parmesan cheese. And then for the wraps, you'll need 4 large tortilla wraps and olive oil to brush on top. So put the chicken in a bowl. Going to want to add a little bit of olive oil. Then you're going to want to add a teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon of this. Your 2 cloves of garlic. Your pepper. And some salt. Just got to mix it all in together.
Chef Abby, I'm going to have to get you an apron.
So you're going to want to put your skillet or a pan, whichever one you want to use, onto the hob. Preheat it to like a medium heat, and then you're just going to want to put your chicken in. Cook the chicken for around 5 to 6 minutes until it's golden brown.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Higgins Kitchen. Woo! Yes!
Actually doing something for a change.
Yeah, I'm doing that, so I'm going to upset the fire.
You're going to add 2 teaspoons of butter over a medium heat. Add another 2 minced garlic cloves. Heat this for around 1 to 2 minutes. So you're going to want to add your teaspoon of flour. Mix this in and stir for another minute. For that you're going to want to add 1 cup of milk. Stir till it thickens. So once the sauce is done, take it off the heat. Then you're going to add in 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. And stir that in. After you've added your mozzarella, you're going to want to add half a cup of your parmesan cheese. And stir that in. And then just put it back on the hob, just so you can melt the cheese a bit more. You're going to want to add the sauce onto the wrap. How much sauce do you want? Is that enough?
Yep.
Add the chicken on top. It's up to you how you wrap it. As you can tell, I'm not very good at wrapping. So you're just going to add a little bit of olive oil onto the wraps and just spread it all over. Add it to the pan. Oh, the cheese is falling out with this one. You're just going to add a little bit more olive oil on the top of that one. Wraps didn't go as well as I was hoping, but I hope they taste nice. If you're better at wrapping wraps than me, they should come out good.
They look good. They look cheesy. Let's eat.
I'm going to end the video there because I want to go and eat these. So please give us a like and subscribe and comment what you want me to cook next.
Right, let's have a taste test. Abby's not happy with her wrapping skills, but it's a taste that matters, eh? Very nice. Very cheesy. Very nice. Just how I like it. Changes up the wrap instead of just having chicken wraps. That's good, Abby.